Well, here we are. The UPS man just came, and we have a box here from Matco. So let's open it and see what we have. Figure out how to get into this thing. Alright. Like that. And like this. And here we go. Look at that. This is a Mac. There it is. AJ18. Well, I'm impressed with Mac. That other wrench was really broken. This one's really new. And that's pretty doggone good. Took a little bit. You know, I had to wait for the UPS man because I don't have a Mac dealer. But it was worth it. Here we are. Mac. Nice. So that's it. Mac wins. I'm lucky. I win too. They stand behind their product. All right, folks. That does it. See you next time.